This is going to be a video tutorial on how to add a custom wallpaper image in Windows 11. Let me jump over to my desktop here. I am on my desktop now. To add a custom wallpaper background image on your desktop in Windows 11, first thing I would suggest that you do is check what your dimensions of your display resolution dimensions are. It's easy to do. All you need to do is right-click on an empty area of your desktop, go up to where it says Display Settings, click on Display Settings, and in this little dialog box here, Display Resolution. It tells me my resolution is 1920 by 1080, so you would probably want an image that fits your display resolution. Now, to add a custom background image, you can right-click anywhere on the desktop, empty area of the desktop. Then you'll go up to where it says Personalize. Click on Personalize. Then the next thing you want to click on is Background. And then right down here, I have this set to Picture. And down here, choose a fit for your desktop image. I have it set to Fill. Now, to add a custom image, you want to click on Browse Photos. That'll open up a little dialog box. I need to find the image that I want to use on my desktop here. I'm going to use this image here. I'm going to go down to the bottom. I'm going to click on Choose Picture. And that's it. That is how to add a custom background image in Windows 11. Thanks for watching.